I'm working on this Steinway Model B from the late 1800s, and I'm going to replace the hammers, hammer shanks and flanges along with the weapons. So you can see the current condition of the hammers is very poor. They've been reshaped several times, and the hammers are beyond reshaping. How much can you reshape more? You see, they're really flat, and not to mention that they were reshaped incorrectly. Only the top was shaved, but the shoulders of the hammers, they were left. So the tone, as a result, the tone of this piano is very poor, unlike any Steinway. And my customer doesn't really want to spend barely anything in the repairing of this piano. So to keep the cost minimal, I have these hammers and weapons from a Model B which I restored just the action. I rebuilt the action, and I have these leftovers, and they're much better. You can see they're in much better shape than these. So I'm going to replace all these hammers and the weapons with the ones that I have from the piano which I rebuilt. And these are approximately 30-35-year-old hammers. And these are very old, over 100 years old. And you can see they are very sluggish as well. The only difference is going to be that these hammers are, I believe they're made in Hamburg, Germany, and these are made here in New York. This is a New York Steinway. Now also you can see the knuckles are much better on the ones that I'm going to replace. And here are the ones, the current ones, very poor shape. So I already replaced several hammers, and you can see the difference. You can see the difference so far. Now the touch will be greatly improved, the tone will also be greatly improved. It won't be as good as if the action was fully rebuilt, but there will be a huge improvement. Currently the piano is actually unplayable. You can't really play it. Many of the keys, due to the sluggishness of all these flanges here, many of the keys, they don't work or don't repeat. The tone is very poor. So once I'm done replacing all these parts, I'm going to regulate the action, and the piano will be in much better shape.